My project is looking at the effects of urbanization on box turtles, but what we're doing out here at this site is kind of a control. We're looking at movements, home ranges, and activity patterns of a natural population. I think what attracted me, was probably similar to most people in the field, is just early on a love of animals and a love of nature. The diversity of species and also just questions asked within the department is pretty diverse, from mammals, birds, fishes, reptiles, and then you also have the fire ecology in the plant. So it's got a pretty wide breadth of everything depending on what you want to focus on. My project, I'm lucky because I get to deal with the urban aspects, and so I get to deal with people, do some education, some outreach. But I also am able to be out here, which is just great. You know, as a wildlife science student, you want to be outside, you want to be in nature. The main way to find turtles is what we call a fortuitous encounter, which means you just stumble upon them. It's hit or miss, it's mainly luck. You're wandering around, we weigh them, we do some measurements on them. We also put a radio transmitter on them. That's attached to their shell with epoxy. And that enables us to find the turtle, relocate them multiple times with our telemetry equipment. Urbanization, development, human impacts are not going to slow down. We can try to minimize the impacts on wildlife, on nature, but realistically, it's not slowing down. Population is going to continue to grow, and impacts are going to be felt. So what we're trying to do is just look at are these box turtles, you know, just one species. How are they doing in the city? You know, and so I think that's what the long-term benefits of this study are. Is it actually shows a species that we don't know how it's doing in the city. And hopefully we'll get some good data and be able to say some things about that.